Most booksellers make these two major mistakes when selling on Amazon. And if you watch this video and actually implement what I'm about to tell you, you're not only going to save a bunch of time, but you're also going to make more profit in your Amazon business. I guarantee it. I've been selling on Amazon for technically 10 years since I sold my first textbook. And these are very small, intricate things that don't seem like a big deal, but trust me, they'll save you hours a month and you'll get a lot more profit on the books you do sell. So number one is people will go out and they'll find a bunch of books like we have here. We have a stack of books, but they will either wait weeks to list them or just not list them at all. So I'm going to show you real quick how fast I'm able to list these. And this is a hack. And if you notice what I'm doing here is I'm stacking these barcode up. So I can just blaze through these real quick. So let me hop inside of here. So this is within GoToLister. So whatever listing software you're using, feel free to use any listing software. But if you want the fastest listing software on the planet that does not require you to wait, 3 seconds per scan, I recommend trying GoToLister. So check this out. I can scan 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First label printed. Pay attention. First label printed. 9, 10, 11. Boom. Second label printed. Pay attention to how long it takes Amazon to give the response time, but GoToLister allows you to scan faster, really optimizing your time. This is why I created GoToLister, was to help me save time and help other booksellers save time. So instead of wasting 2 or 3 hours listing books on a weekend, you can list books incredibly quickly because you can scan through books, get the labels, quickly label the book, and then box up the books just like that. So tip number one is list faster, stack your books barcode up, use a listing software that allows you to queue books in, like GoToLister. Also notice here that we're listing all books as good. So all books are listed in good condition. That way we don't have to keep toggling conditions. And this is acceptable. So if there's a book that's acceptable, I will list it as acceptable, but I under promise, over deliver. So all my books are good, even if they're like new. I don't really think it matters too much on the Amazon side. We're going to get the buy box at some point because we're shipping FBA. So it doesn't matter what condition we are. We're also tracking where we purchased the book. So you can see we got it from Savers and our buy cost is here too. Now this is going to allow us to track our profit. So you can see we've done 119,000 in sales. My total cost is 58,000. This is a lot of wholesale inventory, so this isn't all books. Amazon fees are 27,000. I'm left with 33,000. But the only reason why I know my true profit, this light orange here, is the profit. The only reason why I know my profit is because when I'm listing my inventory, I'm entering the buy cost. So I have accurate analytics at the end of the day, and I have confidence to scale my Amazon business because I can see after all Amazon fees, after buy costs, I can really get a true picture of what I'm left with. So that's tip number one. I promise I give you guys 2 tips. Tip number 2 is price your inventory smarter. So with GoToLister, there's something called smart pricing. And again, you don't have to use GoToLister, but this is just a feature of GoToLister. But same principle applies no matter what listing software you're using. So what you can do is not price the buy box price. As you can see, GoToLister in this case priced at FBA slot 2. What does that mean? Buy box price is right here at $43. We're pricing at $46. We made an extra $3 simply by pricing higher, assuming it sells at this price. And all we're doing is waiting for this seller to sell out, which he will at 43. The price will go up to 46, hopefully. And then we'll make an extra $3 if it does sell at that premium price. Here's a better example, FBA slot 4. So you can see the lowest 3 FBA offers are all at $40.17. We came in at FBA slot 4 at $54.86. We're going to make an extra $14 if the book sells at that price. Here's another example. FBA slot 3 was selected by GoToLister's smart pricing. This is automatically done for you. And as you can see, the buy box is 41, but we priced at 49, just like right here, 49. You can also toggle if you wanted to price at 43 for whatever reason. It'll update the price here. Let's go back to 49. Boom, an extra $8 profit simply by pricing against the FBA offers. If it's a faster moving book, the smart pricing at GoToLister is going to price it more optimistically for you. If it's a high sales rank book, we're probably just going to match buy box or even go below buy box, because smart pricing prices to sell. It doesn't price only, to make you more profit. It prices your inventory realistically to sell. And if it thinks it can make you more profit, smart pricing is going to price it a little bit higher. One more cool thing that you can do, and this took me years to find out. You can look for No FBA offer books. So GoToLister will notify you when there's books that have no FBA offers. I might just have to go to the GoToLister website to show you guys this. Scroll down here. I usually have this ready to go in the batch, but for now, I'm just going to show you here. Yeah. So if you look right here, within the batch, it's going to tell you if there are 0 or few FBA offers. And in that case, GoToLister is automatically going to price it 20% higher because there's no FBA competition. So you can price the book a little bit higher. But we do encourage you to manually price this book yourself. I've sold books that have a low merchant offer of 100 and no FBA offers. And I've come in and I've sold that book for 200. So I've literally sold a book for $200 more just because there are 0 FBA offers. If there's no FBA competition, you can set the price. I'm not going to say every single time you get 100% ROI, but at least 20%, you can get a nice little what we call a prime bump. And GoToLister is the only listing software that notifies you when there are 0 or few FBA offers. So those are just a few tips in order to build your Amazon business. Hopefully that video was helpful. Hit the subscribe button if you love me. If not, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.